Hey guys, Rachel Leslie here. So in this video, I'm just gonna be super straight up with you, super candid. I don't really like to follow a script or anything. I have like some notes, but I'm just gonna go for it. So I wanted to make this little story video to update you guys on my journey, and I wanted to also make this video so you can hopefully avoid any mistakes that I've made. I could take the route of like, oh, 2 Comma Club. It's easy, like, it's so easy, like, sign up for my course, I'll teach you how, or like, you know, just do this and do that, and it's easy. And that would be lying to you, and I'm not about that. It took me a long freaking time, and it doesn't have to take you a long time. And here's the truth, you can make money doing anything. You can make money doing a lot, well, maybe not anything, but a lot of things, and a lot of ways to make money online. People make money online with e-commerce, with affiliate marketing, with client work, and having an agency, and doing social media, and retail arbitrage, and there's just so many ways to make money online. And I know for a lot of people, they are like, well, I don't even care what I'm doing, just give me the step-by-step, show me like what's the best way to make money online. But you know what? It just doesn't work that way. You gotta do what's fun for you, what is exciting for you. So this 2 Comma Club, people see the 2 Comma Club, and they're like, Rachel, how'd you get the 2 Comma Club? Like, let me see your funnel. And it was from e-commerce. With partners, we were selling on e-commerce, like selling a product online, using ClickFunnels, using funnels, selling multiple products. But you know what? It don't matter what we were selling. You could sell anything online. And at this point in my journey, I'm not doing e-commerce at all. Now I'm focused on affiliate marketing and digital products like online courses, group coaching, mini courses. And people might ask, well, Rachel, if the 2 Comma Club funnel did like 2.5 million in sales, how come you're not doing that? But it gets to a point where it's not about the money, where any amount of money isn't worth not being stoked. Having to work super hard or always like be on call, always be hustling and not enjoying your work and not making a meaningful impact in the world if that's what you want to do. So it's not that e-com's bad, it's not that agency work is bad and client work is bad and helping other people is bad and doing entrepreneurial things. Some people might prefer to do entrepreneurial things. For me, it got to the point where I was like, I don't really freaking care anymore about the possibility of making a lot of money or whatever. I want to be doing other things. I want to be building my own business and legacy and making more passive income, which is why I chose to go with affiliate marketing. So if I try to stand here on a pedestal and be like, I woke up like this, like, no, I didn't, and be like, oh yeah, this is so easy, like, buy my course. Like I said, I'd straight up be lying to you, which is why it gets so like weird, such a fine line of me letting you know that you can totally do it and that I'm no more special than you, and the line of, hey, it's gonna be pretty hard, you're gonna have to put in hard work. Like, I want to tell you it's so easy, I just can't bring myself to do that. But what I can do is tell you that it's super freaking possible. It's super freaking possible, you guys. I was going like in and out of jail, getting into trouble, couldn't keep a job, had no good direction in life. And even when I was like, okay, I'm sorry, God, I will walk a straight line now, I will do better, it was still really freaking hard, and it still is hard. Like, there still is hard times. They say, you know, more money, more problems. So also it's being mentally ready to bring success into your life and to reach the goals that you're setting. You have to be mentally ready for that. But hey, I think you are ready for that. You're watching this video, you're here. I'm in the make money online niche. It's all about like make money online, you know, but what are you gonna do when you have that money? You can have all the money in the world and still not be happy. So you might as well be making money online, doing something that you enjoy. And it's whatever is right for you. So I wanna give you as much as I can give you. There are certain principles in online marketing and in selling online and with online funnels and ClickFunnels and sales funnels that are consistent throughout whatever niche you get into, or whatever like vertical or e-commerce, agency, affiliate marketing, whatever way you want to make money online with funnels. There's a lot that is similar among these things, and then there's a lot of differences. So best thing I could do right now is give you guys some free funnels and trainings for specific things. So if you look like, I don't know exactly how I'm gonna set up this funnel, but maybe like below this video, you should see buttons for some different funnels that I have. There's gonna be, well, there is an e-commerce one there, and it's not the exact e-commerce funnel that we use for 2 Comma Club, but within the training, I'm gonna show you some common things that you should use among all e-commerce funnels, and some things that I learned along the way when building with my partners this 2.5 million in revenue in 2 month business. So check that one out if you want to go the e-com route. If you more want to go to the agency route, get clients, that's actually, to me, when people say like, what's the quickest way I can make money, it would be to pick up a client. So check out the resources I have for that. And then like what I'm real passionate about is making passive income through affiliate marketing. So setting up automation to make commissions from softwares and courses. So I don't have to do like the trench work, or I'll do the active work, but then start making passive income for months and months or years and years. So I got a lot of resources for that, and you can check that out. I also said I would share some mistakes in here that I made that you can avoid. So one of them is don't continue to do something that's really unenjoyable for you. So if you keep procrastinating on something, ask yourself, why are you procrastinating on it? Is it because it's like really super unenjoyable for you and it's probably not in alignment with what you want to do, and maybe you need to switch strategies, or like which is what you're selling, or the niche that you're in, that could be it. But another reason you could be procrastinating is because you're actually scared of accomplishing something. Maybe this mistake that I made was putting things off because I was just so used to putting things off and always coming up with ideas and goals but never achieving them. So I was in a pattern of, okay, we're going to start this, but it's not going to work out. I'm going to start this and it's not going to work out. I'm going to start this and I'll be excited for it for a day, but it's not going to make me money. I just, in my subconscious, that's what I believed. So a mistake that I have made in the past and just continue to sometimes is not focusing enough on my mindset work. And I know I put a lot of like technical content out there and strategy and try to show you guys like the nerd stuff and step by step what to do. But I could give you all the resources, all the tools, all the freaking funnels done for you, and the training how to do it. And if you're really not ready to receive that into your life and to take aligned action to get it going and attract results into your life, you're not gonna, and you're gonna repel it. So that would be a major pitfall that I made and that I want you to avoid. And the way to avoid that is like literally listen to freaking motivational videos on YouTube. And when I say mistakes, like I really don't regret anything. I can't regret anything. I don't even regret going to jail. Like, yeah, I have remorse doing bad things, but I don't regret it because it made me who I am. So some other just struggles in the past that I learned from is don't actually say yes to everything. Like, yes, say yes to opportunities and make yourself uncomfortable and do the uncomfortable things. Get out of your comfort zone. Say yes to certain things, but don't say yes to everything, and don't partner with everyone, and don't put too much on your plate. If you have 10 units of energy to put towards something and you're putting one of those units to 10 different things, you're barely getting anything done. It'd be better to put 10 units of energy into one thing, and then you can move on to the next project. So the big learning from that is try to build something of your own. So yeah, it's cool to work with partners and with teams and build things together. Like I wouldn't have got 2 Comma Club if I wasn't working with a team. But while I was focused on that teamwork, I wasn't building my own passive affiliate commissions. I stopped building any of my own online courses and programs, and that's what really lights me up, is having something of my own. So while you are working at whatever job you have or whatever clients you have or teams you have, I would suggest also stacking up some of your own income and passive income from affiliate marketing. Okay guys, so what's next for me? Well, I want another one of these freaking plastic things to prove to myself that I can do it, to prove to myself that I can do it again, to prove to myself that I can do it with a team, but where I'm the team leader. And I want one of those plastic, or I think they're metal, ClickFunnels dream car trophies. I mean, when you hit 100 affiliates, they pay for your dream car. They give you auto payment every month so you can pay for a car, and you're like, that the car's cool, whatever. I don't really care about cars that much. I just want that freaking trophy. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, it'll be cool. It'll be cool. But it, again, is to prove to myself that I can do it. So for you, think about what you really want. When you get your trophy for $1 million in revenue through a funnel, when you get your car trophy and car and the extra money from it, from getting ClickFunnels affiliates or whatever you're doing, and you got the money and you got the trophy, now what? Now what? I sit here in my room and I freaking close my eyes and I think, I feel if I already had all this, like, okay, I already have all of it, what's next? What's actually going to make me happy? And I find what makes me the happiest is helping other people. So as much training as I can give you, I'll give you. As much funnels I can give you, I'll give you. I literally don't have enough time to help everybody one-on-one, so I do have a group coaching program. And if you want more info on that, it's dailycommissionsclub.com, where my goal is to get everyone to the point where they are making commissions, like passive affiliate commissions, daily. And I just really want to see you guys win because it makes me happy, and I guess that's my selfish reason. So thank you for watching, and I will talk to you soon.